Hey guys, today I want to make a quick video, and this ain't going to be a step-by-step video, but if your mower's got this type of spindle when you keep going through bearings and everything, I'm doing an experiment to see how long it holds up if I add a grease fitting to it. This is what I had to do to it. This is a brand new spindle. I drilled all the way down through here and into the center, and right in between the two bearings, and I drilled a T-slot here. I'll put in the videos of it drilling here, and then I thread this up here for the grease fitting. I took the inner seals out, that way the grease can force it out. As you'll see there in the video clip, it squeezes out in that inner part of the seal right there, so you know you're getting grease all the way through it. So hopefully this will help prolong the life of these spindles that I have to keep putting new bearings in about every 2 or 3 years. So if you got the older MTD spindles like this, it's something you might want to try. If you got a lathe or somebody works in a machine shop, it's going to be best to do this drilling on a lathe. But I just want to make a quick little video on this and showing what I had to do it. It takes a lot of drilling to get down through there, and so it's just something we're going to have to try and see how it does. I also added bolts to the flange here to get a tighter seal, just to seal it off. I didn't put gaskets or sealant in anything. Just did it like that. So okay, so I ran into a problem. After it was put together and your pulleys on here and everything got tight, the grease wouldn't go around here. It's something I should have thought about before, but I didn't. It was sealing off almost perfectly on both sides of the spacer. So to fix this problem, I'm going to have to drill at least 2 holes down through this here. So I'm going to do about 4 just to make sure it gets all the way through it. That way, no matter what position it is, it should be able to work its way around, because it does fit just a little bit loose on here, so it should find a path to go through there. Just something I overlooked. So let me drill this out and we'll look at it. Alright, so here it is. I drilled 4 1/8" holes in it. It should be more than enough. And it don't really matter if it lines up or not, because of the play it's on here. It should force its way around there somehow. So it's just something I should have thought about before, but I didn't. I didn't mowed twice with this and thought it was time to grease it. It just shows you how much the grease gets slung out and washed out from water and stuff. And it's only been mowed with twice. It's about 4 hours of mowing on here. So I probably should grease it every time I use it, just to keep these bearings from drying out. And I just want to show you how bad they're wore out, the old ones are. The other one's just as bad too. What happens, you get water in there and it washes out the grease, then your bearings start rusting and corroding and everything. And you hear how dry it is. I also want to know, if you get the newer type spindles that are all aluminum, there are no flanges like this, you got a bearing at the top and at the bottom, you can still put a grease fitting on them. You got to take them apart, take the inner seal out, and while it's apart, drill through the housing. Like you drill through the housing right there, towards about in the middle where the bearings are, and just put a grease fitting right there, and pop them inner seals out. You'll be able to grease it. You'll be able to get a lot more life out of them. Like I said, I've been wanting to try to do this for a long time, and finally figured it was a good time to try to do it. So hopefully it'll make them last a lot longer. Well guys, if you got any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching.